Hey, good day buddies. How are you? Hope you are well and fine. I'm back with new package. Today I ordered from Amazon. This package is, by seeing the package itself, you should be able to understand. It's from Amazon actually. We are bachelors. We are three people living together. So we ordered for egg boiler because we are at gym and doing gym. We do need lots of proteins and lot of dietary things. So the main diet to do exercises is egg. So we just it's it's irresistible and we do want it. Please open this pack. Let me get into this. I just a little bit of I scrapped it. I didn't open it actually. Literally I didn't open it. So this is kind of package. So inside the package there is one more package. If you can see, there is some acronym written over here. It's egg poacher. Is the right thing? I don't know. English is kind of little bit tricky and we can't pronounce right pronunciations for any noun, so let it be. So inspiration is not fancy. Fan is in the DIY, nutritional, healthy and easy. Maybe the quotation is kind of really good. Thank you for the quotation, Mr. Egg Poacher. I do admire for this person. So this is the way you can see. Okay, right. Okay, what is this? I don't know. Let me get into this. So I think we do get a manual book of instructions as well. So I'll take that as well. So this is there. Oh, sorry. This is attached with this. So this is kind of a filler where we can pour water. So this is the filler. This is the cap I got. Maybe I think that is a cap. For sure, that may be a cap. So this is the ring. I don't know for what it is. I think to build a stage, because I ordered for dual 7+7 because we do need 14 eggs. For that reason I ordered 7+7. So that is there. So beneath that, the first ring is this is the modules of egg, I think. So it has 7 rings. I'm sure this is the module. So this is 7 eggs in one tray. 2 trays we got, and other 7 eggs in other tray. Let me build this and show it to you. This is what the machine looks like. It came in yellow. Actually we don't have any they didn't give choice for us to select a particular color. So but this is kind of looks okay and looks very good. I really like this. So here backside, sorry to call it as egg boiler, it says it's egg streamer. Okay, so again it's rated rated voltage is 220 volts to 240 volts. Again it is because of these items are built at China, so they don't have exact match of voltages, right? So rated power is 350 volts and the related capacity is 1 egg to 14 eggs. You can place 1 egg or 14 eggs together. It's to you, right? This is beneath, and with the filler we have to pour water. I'll show you how we'll add. So this is the kind of a tray. Then I think this ring we have to place first. Just see, just reverse and see if you're putting the ring in the right way or wrong way. I think it is feasible. It is kind of 400 bucks and 400 rupees in Indian currency. So it is kind of feasible, and you're getting 14 steamed eggs at one time. That's really crazy. So I think in the book of instruction they already gave you can even fry things, fry egg. So this is the end look of the product when I arranged. This is the look that I got, right? So here I think there is a button as well. Before I showed that to you. Okay, I'll show the book of manual and I'll show how exactly to use this particular tray. Please stay tuned and look few other videos, related videos within the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. I hope all wealth and health to your family and friends, and to you as well, of course. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye. Let's see how to operate this egg streamer, which comes from Amazon, or you can call it as egg boiler. It is multi-use thing. So this machine gonna help us to maintain the temperature of the egg. So this is how it is. I already unboxed it, so I'm just unwiring things. what to call this, unripping or something. Let's see. Yeah, it's out, done. So switch off. Be very safe while doing these things. After that, pick up a measuring cup which comes along with this package. So this is the one. I'll add water to this measuring cup. I'll tell what is the measurement as well. So this is the measuring cup. I poured a little bit of water. I don't know what is the measurement. Actually, this is the first time for me. So let me check how the results will be. This is the thing. So I'm pouring water from this because by pouring like this, I think I'll get to know what is the percentage of or like proportion of water that I should pour within this, right? So actually poured 1 full cup of this, and I do want eggs, of course. I have eggs, so let's place the eggs. I placed one in the center. I love playing actually like this. So other one, today I'll be boiling 5 eggs, not just for me, as in I told you we are 3 people. So one person told he don't want any eggs for the day, so I'm not boiling for him. I'm doing it for other friend of mine. So 3, here you go, 4th egg, and 5th egg. I didn't hand wrap it. I don't know if this egg has any crack. Well, good. I don't know what shape is this in. So this is the ring. It actually I explained you about this ring. I'm placing the ring. It's perfectly alright. So I'm placing the top of this. Yeah, it's locked, I guess. That little bit of clink sound or crack sound felt like I got assurance like it got locked. So I'm switching on this, and there is a little bit of tiny cute button of red color. I'm switching on this particular button now. So I think by now I should get like a little bit of steam. It's like very quick. It don't take much time. Let me see what's the duration that it will take to boil these eggs. In lesser than 1 minute, I just paused this video. I could see stream. I think in this video you should see stream. It got aura of stream here. So I think like, I don't know the quantity or the water's quantity is right or wrong. It's like 10 ml to 90 ml water. Maybe one of my friend told like lesser than this, like 10 ml of water would be more sufficient to boil the egg. In that core basis only I'm trying out this particular thing. Let me see and let me show you the outcome. I don't know if I should open by now, but my sixth sense says like it should get probably done. There is no kind of such thing called self-automated thing. Once eggs are done, once eggs are steamed, it should get off actually. But actually this is a China product. According to the budget, this product is kind of fine. So let me check and show you how exactly they got steamed by now. I just switched off this particular machine. I don't know how the results will be. This is a trusted product. I just influenced this with my friends. We purchased it through Share actually. So let me check. If this is not a proper machine, I'm gonna get really bad scoldings from my friends and colleagues. Let me see. So are you ready? I'm opening it. Oh god, it's kind of humidity, yaar. Like huge temperature. It's like too much hot. Please be careful, huh? I think the egg is like hard boiled. It got boiled more. Like I just kept it for more duration. This is not the right time. But I think like by looking at these cracks, I am sure the eggs got boiled. And this is the right sign I just wanted. I'm anticipating. Maybe the egg was kind of little broken when I was picking it up. That's the reason why I can see a little bit of egg whites popping out. Fine. So this is it's like burning, man. So I just placed it over here over this, and or I just placed in a filler. So I'm pouring a little bit of water so that it gets cooled down, because it's really hot, man. I can't handle so hot thing. Fine. Okay, the temperature got a little bit normal. Let me check the result. So I think you're ready. Let me, it should be like boom, and if I remove my hand, it should see the outer cell. I can see egg white. If I remove this shell, I can see this is proper sign. Yeah, it got really like it's proper. I love this. I'll give like 4 stars for this because it is not automated. That's the reason I'm giving 4 stars. Otherwise, this is kind of perfect, man.
Yes, doing good, man.